Okay, so we're going to show how to make the power supply Ziploc. So we need M4, M5, M12, and M13. And it's actually pretty straightforward. So we're going to take out one of the AA times 2, one of the AA times 1. We're going to open up M12, and I've already taken out the paper or the plastic wrapping. And so I'm going to open up one of the 9 volts and one of the AA. I'm not going to open up the AAA. What we're going to need is we're going to end up using pretty much all the batteries in M12, and we're also going to end up using one row of batteries from M13 for the AA and 2 for the 9 volts. So you should end up with, I believe, one extra packet of AA and 2 packets of the 9 volts plus the packet of the AAA. And you'll also end up with some extras of these battery clips. So 2 of the 9 volt batteries, 2 of the 9 volt clips, one group of 4 AA batteries, and then an M13, one pen, and underneath the pens there's also alligator clips. So we are taking out one alligator clip. Okay, so all that goes into a Ziploc bag. So it's a 2 AA, a 1 AA, 2 9 volts, 2 9-volt battery clips, a 4 AA, a pen, an alligator clip. So this is what the completed thing looks like. So it's just a single Ziploc bag. So to help with organization, once you've made a packet, you can store it into some of the boxes that you receive shipping in. So that way, like for each Ziploc that you put together, there's a box, and then from the box, you can then finally do the assembly into the individual bags.